अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे द रेप ऑफ लॉक एज अ सोशल स्टायर। द रेप ऑफ लॉक इज़ अ स्टायर विच कवर्स ऑल स्ट्राटा ऑफ द 18th century society and aristocratic life, in particular under Queen Anne. Under Queen Anne, the profligacy of man never decreased. Fashion had greater impact over them. Dress and cosmetic were their only business. The average life of the society woman was to dress, visit clubs and coffee houses. ये काम होता था उस सेंचुरी में औरतों का। जस्ट अपनी लाइफ को देखती थी, ड्रेस अच्छा पहनती थी, क्लब्स विजिट करती थी, डांस करती थी और कॉफ़ी हाउसेस में जाती थी। वेयर यंग मैन कम टू प्लीज देमसेल्व्स एंड टू फ्लिर्ट। Belinda, the heroine, represents the typical fashionable ladies of their time. Her habits, manners, and attitude toward life shows the unhealthy and unnatural trends of the age. Late sleeping and late rising is Belinda's routine. अच्छा, मेरी राइटिंग तब देखें कितनी बैड राइटिंग थी मेरी। Her toilet scene is a symbolic of the displacement of value. मैं खुद हैरान हो रही हूँ अपनी राइटिंग देख के। After getting up, instead of offering prayers, she starts her makeup. She does her makeup with the seriousness of the prayers. ऐसे करती थी अपना मेकअप जैसे नमाज़ नहीं पढ़ती एक इंसान खूब सीरियस हो के अल्लाह के डर से, वैसे मेकअप अपना वो करती थी। Instead of reading the holy book in the morning, she reads the love letters. Astaghfirullah. Style aims to expose the voices, follies and flaws of the person, of group of people, making them serious, ridiculous. When she completes her toilet, she bows to her own image in a mirror, and if she were bowing to the goddess, her attitude is very much like a Satan in Paradise Lost. On her white breast, a sparkling cross she bore, which Zeus might kisses and infidel adore. नेक्स्ट देखें द रेप ऑफ लॉक रिटन बाय द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ द अलेक्जेंडर फ्रेंड जॉन के कहने पे अलेक्जेंडर ने लिखी थी द रेप ऑफ लॉक। ही वॉज हिज फ्रेंड हु रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू राइट अ पोइम। द रियल पर्पज ऑफ दिस पोइम वॉज नॉट स्टायराइज द सोसाइटी। अलेक्जेंडर पोप once said the stealing of Miss Belinda's hair was taken too seriously and become serious issues in two families. Even they have a very friendly relationship for a long time. A well-wisher drove me to write a poem to make a just fun of it and laugh them together again. That's why I wrote the Rape of Locke. ये बता रहे हैं अलेक्जेंडर पोप, ठीक है, उन्होंने क्यों लिखी थी। When the poem was published again in 1714, it's gained too much fame. It was a complete style of itself. Pope words these poems to make fun of the society that was wasting time in endless activities. The Rape of Locke is a mirror of the 18th century of aristocratic society. In the poem the poet creates a female character named Belinda. All in a complete poem he talks about her, yet he means to say that every single female of that era belonged to aristocratic class. On the opposite, he creates a male character named Baron. He uses him to show the routine life of gentleman. England has been known for the pupil of bravery works for many years. Next देखें in the other paragraph the poet starts showing the laziness of the upper class. ये आप लोग खुद पढ़ लें, ठीक है। This poem also shows that the pupil hobbies also changed with the passage of time. They were no more interested in water stories, rather they were busy in making themselves look better to others in a ball, a club, parties. Thus there is a social style and noble ladies of century. The Rape of Locke. The women were busy impressing men, and men were trying their best to make good impression in front of the ladies. Women's curiosity has been shown toward attractiveness, choosing cosmetics, staying hairs, where means of on the other hand shown unless lazy, unwise, foolish minded who thinks flirting with ladies primary motto. There is also a style when Belinda's lock was cut, her friend left her alone. The incident is a social style on relationship people of that era. So conclusion इसका देख लें। Alexander Pope used the technique of the social style in these poems. The Rape of Locke is to separate awareness about the follies and flaws of the people of that time. It is a brilliant piece of a style on society. So I'm done this video. Next video तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त से।